Hello, all beauty store, variety boutique, and accessory shop owners around the world. If you're looking for a high-end retail display racks used by famous chain stores, don't skip this video. The shelf to see right now is the official Pinpoint beauty display rack matching offline accessories. We supply direct from our own factory with no middleman markup. This whole shelf features a soft matte cream finish with pre-installed embedded spotlights on top to light up all your products evenly. Every hub height is fully adjustable, ideal for sorting cosmetics, skincare, makeup tools, and fragrance separately. Close the storage cabinets at the bottom hold all your box stuff and keep your store tidy. The whole rack is made of thickened integrate cold rolled steel with super strong load bearing capacity. It will never bend or sag after years of heavy use. Brand logos are printed on the side upright posts to upgrade your store's premium style instantly. We are a professional shelving manufacturer with 30 years of production experience. We provide customization, custom size, cabinet colors, exclusive logos, and personalized store layout designs. We welcome both single store startup owners and full container overseas interpreters. OEM and ODM service are available. We offer domestic delivery installation and full container sea freight for overseas clients, providing one-stop full store display solutions. If you need detailed quotations, 3D store layouts, renderings, and full product catalog of this MINISO style beauty shelf, leave a comment shelf below or send a message to my channel.